After the pretreatment equipment has been in operation for a period of time, we need to regularly replace the lubricating oil for the broken speed reducer. And here at the crusher, check the lubricating paper of the gear. And if we don't use it for a long time, we must lubricate the crusher blades so that the next operation can proceed smoothly.
This is the pretreatment equipment manufactured by our factory for customers. First, after our equipment is placed in position, first of all, we need to connect the equipment to the power supply. The main power supply of the equipment is connected here, and we need to connect the drain pipe to the equipment. Discharge the waste weight. After we have completed the preparation work, it is also crucial to add hydraulic oil to the following hydraulic system, known 37 wear-resistant hydraulic oil. After we have prepared and done our work, we can hang up the trash bin. Then click the promote button. First, you need to long press. When the garbage is poured onto the sorting platform above, if we click the promote button, if the lifting function fails to start, it indicates that the wiring sequence of the power supply relay may be reversed. Need to adjust the wiring sequence. After reaching the top, we are on this platform. Sort the garbage. When the garbage sorting is completed, we can click the descend button. Let the trash bin fall. If further sorting is needed, redo the sorting work again. After the sorting is completed, it is necessary to place the trash bin under the crusher. Then, turn on the crusher. Put the sorted garbage into the trash bin.
This is what we custom produced for our clients. Production equipment for 2,000 kg lifting and fermentation. First, after the equipment arrives at the site, we need to do the preliminary preparation work first. First, we need to place the food cups under the lifter on the ground. And we need to connect the water pipe to the heating system of the equipment. Add no 37 wear hydraulic oil to the hydraulic system. And connect the exhaust pipe of our exhaust system to the outdoor. Connect the power supply of the equipment to the bottom of the main electrical cabinet. After we finish the preparation work, power on all power switches of the equipment. After powering on, the screen boots up as shown in the figure. First, click the cover opening button. Open the feeding hopper cover of the equipment. When the equipment hopper cover is opened to the highest position, the cover button on the screen will display yellow. It indicates that the opening time is sufficient and feeding can be carried out normally. Be sure to wait until the hopper cover is displayed on the screen before clicking the lifting button. Otherwise, it will be useless. When the hopper cover button indicator lights up, we can click the lifting button. Feed the prepared kitchen waste into the fermentation chamber. Wait for 0 seconds, and it will automatically fall back without any operation. The 0-second duration can be adjusted within the system. When the trash bin descends to the lowest position, if we need to continue feeding materials, you can repeat the previous operation. If the feeding is finished, it is necessary to wait until the trash bin descends to the lowest position, and then click the cover closing button. Close the hopper cover. When the hopper cover is closed, we can proceed with the fermentation operation of the equipment. Click the fermentation button. When the red water valve light is on the screen, it indicates that the equipment is replenishing water. The system will only start normally when the water valve light is off. After the equipment has been in operation for a period of time, it is necessary to maintain the equipment. First of all, we need to regularly check whether the water in the spray tower has been contaminated. Need to be replaced regularly. When replacing, we open the valve. Then the wastewater can be drained. Clean water is automatically replenished after we connect the water pipe. In addition, after the equipment has been in operation for a period of time, we need to replace the lubricating oil of the main mixing motor of the equipment. Be sure to regularly check the lubrication condition of the grease at the gear. Otherwise, it is easy to cause damage to the equipment.